you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is pretty much going to be a simple thing. So before we get started today's video, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of clips of how Honda Fest went. Now, I didn't film Honda Fest or take much pictures because I just wanted to see how the scene was. I wanted to see how the Honda community was, and I wanted to see like different projects, different swaps, different cars, and learn a little bit. So that's why I didn't really want to like film or take pictures, because I wanted to observe and watch and stuff. So I'll put the clips in for you guys right now. Alright, so for today's video is going to be something cool, because not only are we at, if you guys can see it, Federal Muffler, but we're actually going to be installing my K-tuned muffler today. I've been waiting to install this for a long time, a couple of weeks as a matter of fact. It's officially going to be on today. My appointment is at 1 o'clock. I'm a little early. They're probably on lunch right now, but I don't want to wait inside. I want to be inside because I want to be outside because it's really legit, really nice outside. So take advantage of the weather. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys this in a minute. So this literally just came in as soon as I was about to leave. I got my Skunk 2 racing license plate frame. Unfortunately, I had to keep the original bolts because the ones that I have, it takes an Allen key. The Allen key that I do have, unfortunately, it's a bit too big, so that will do for now. I also have something coming from eBay that I ordered to go along over here. You guys will see in the next video. So yeah, I'm really excited. I hope the car is not going to be too loud, but it's going to give a nice tone. If it gives like a little bit of a muffler delete tone, I'm super happy with that. So that was pretty damn fast. I took my car in right away. That's the muffler right there on the ground, and it's going to be installed. Good view too, as a matter of fact. Very good view. Huh, looks like they even do Ferraris too. Damn. I like his license plate though, Formula 1. Legit. Alright, so as you guys can see, we're currently just doing some measurements, some adjustments, and everything. Which angle, how high, and everything. So the car's looking good like that. I like it like that. It's perfect. And if it's gonna be sideways like that, it looks like it's kind of like in a JDM angle. So yeah. All right, update. So we got the factory muffler off. It's right in the box, and we got the K-tune muffler on right there. Perfect angle too, guys, like legit perfect angle. Looks really clean too. All right, so we get a little bit of a test sound. Not that bad. Holy shit. Perfect. Not too loud. So the final touches, that's what the car looks like. It looks really nice with the K-tune muffler. Again, it's not too loud. It's just perfect. In neutral, unfortunately, it only revs at 4,000, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I have an appointment tomorrow at 1:30 at a Honda shop for performance-wise. That's where I'm doing my intake. So I'm gonna ask them if they could remove the rev limiter in neutral. So we'll see. But once I get in the highway, I'm gonna start rolling. I'm gonna see how it sounds. Very professional, very good. Amazing job, amazing job. And it's clean too, really clean done. It looks really nice from the rear like this too. Like with the lights, the license plate frame, the tinted windows, K-tune sticker on there. It looks amazing. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. That was a little bit of a sound clip. Now, when I go to I'm gonna do another video tomorrow for you guys for the intake install, and I'm gonna ask them like how would I be able to remove the rev limiter at 4,000. That way I can rev it all the way in neutral. So I'm gonna ask them if they can do that for me. I'm willing to pay a little extra. It depends on how much the installation for the intake will cost. But I can tell you right off the bat though, the exhaust is not loud. Honestly, it sounds like a muffler delete. It legit sounds like a muffler delete. For you to actually hear it, you're gonna have to go at like 4,000 RPM or higher. So it's not loud at all compared to my other car. So it was $163. I was expecting it to be a little cheaper, but they had to supply me with some pipes and some bendings and all that crap. Car drives really good. The guy who actually worked on my car was actually like, he also told me nice wheels. I remember my boy, he told me these are GSR blades, so these are very iconic, so I will be keeping them. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a little video for you guys of how the exhaust really does sound, how the car sounds and performs and stuff like that. Once I get the intake installed tomorrow, I'll make a separate video on that. So until then, I want to say thank you guys very much for watching, obviously. To be honest guys, not very much I'm going to be doing to this car because it's taking less mods than the WRX. So the way the car is, pretty much she's almost done. All she needs is to get the intake installed and that 4K rev limiter off. So once those two things are done, then basically the car's finished. There's no maintenance, there's no repairs done or needed, so I'm very happy with that. Want to thank you guys very much for tuning in today. If you want to see more videos and see where the car is going to be heading in the next few months or years or whatever, hit that subscribe button, show me some love, like the video if you like it. If you have any suggestions, tips, or anything for mods, interior, exterior, or exhaust, or headers, or intake, whatever you guys have in mind, hit me up in the comments below. I'm always watching them, I'm always looking at them. Until then, take care of yourself and be safe out there, boys. Peace. Oh,